if you in the ancient time, it was people used to have the water system. So let's say if you have something, I will exchange it for what I have, and then came the metals, precious metals. So I wanted something which you have, which I don't, so I could trade my precious metals for that thing with you. And then after that, precious metals came paper money. And once governments were formed, they said, okay, this is the money, and okay, so from paper money. So again, from paper money we switched to plastic money now. But what is this Bitcoin and why is there a need of Bitcoin? Let me tell you guys, from what happens is that, as we can see, the internet has revolutionized the entire world. Okay, today, if I want to do a video conference call, or probably I want to send you a message, or or I want to connect with anybody across the world, I can at a very easy on my fingertips. You have Facebook to connect, you have Skype to do a video call, you have Facebook calling. Uh, I can send an email to you right away without any mediator. You get it instantly. But let me tell you, that's not the case with money. If I want to send some money to somebody abroad, I still need to take the help of the mediator. Like I need to take the help of Visa, Master, uh, all those mediators, right? So it's not direct yet. And not just abroad. I mean, even if you want to trade over here, you have to, for any transaction, you need the bank, help of bank. So bank is the biggest mediator. So if you have seen what internet has done, it has removed all the mediators, correct? So email, it's direct, postal services completely wiped out. The same thing that will happen with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a new money which would basically remove all the mediators, and I would be able to send across money to anybody across the world, or probably in my own city, or probably buy stocks using Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the new money, and there are a lot of exchanges today in India which are dealing with Bitcoin. One of them is ZebPay, ZEBPAY. If you download the app, you will know how people are trading every day, buying and selling Bitcoins and buying a lot of stuff. Today, with ZebPay with Bitcoins, you can buy Amazon watches, Flipkart watches. You can buy Domino's Pizza watches, a lot of watches. So it's already in trend. There's no doubt about it that it is a future currency, it is a global currency which will bring the world together like what internet has done. And so that there's no problem of having the cross currency. Let's say I in India transacting rupees, but somebody in England would be transacting in pounds, or somebody in USA would be transacting in dollars, right? And if I'm traveling somewhere, then again I have to exchange my currencies, right? So that's going to be different. That's super. So what Bitcoin will do, it will bring the entire world even more closer by introducing this Bitcoin, so that you can transact with anybody across the world with this Bitcoin, and it's globally accepted. Okay. So that's it from my side right now, and there is a lot more to come. If you want to read some books on what exactly it's available on Amazon.com, and guys, just be aware of it because this is the next big thing coming up. So, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.